So guys, here comes the Harry 7200 series. Is the most portable and handy visualizer ever made. It's most compact. It's fully in bag, and I just open and show the complete things inside the box. It is the time to cut it open. When you open it, inside it there is, wow, it's beautifully packed inside a black bag. Opening it again for you all. Well, this is the bag with all the equipment inside this. So as I open this, you can see there are all accessories inside this. इसको फैला करके मैं फिर आपको दिखाता हूँ. So these are the accessories, different cable, VGA cable, this is the USB cable, this is the Edaxis software CD of the Harry CD, this is the remote control. These are all the different cable, and these are the power cable setting. Right, I don't think so their battery comes inside this, so we need to buy a separate battery for the remote control. Now after opening the bag, the visualizer is very compact and it is packed properly. Just see. Now I've removed the bag and now removing the polythene which is covered. Just see how compact it is. Just see how compact it is. It's beautifully. It's a piece of architecture actually. It's beautiful. It's a piece of technology. You see now how you open it. You open it like this from this side and this side. I show you. So after opening like this and this, now the middle portion need to be opened. So very good built plastic. See, with the curving portion is for this, and this is the complete lens area, and there is a cap as well underneath it. We need to open it. There are different input points. Alt initial touch button to open, and also the VGA and XYZ of the different cables, and this is a memory sensor, what I suppose. So now we are fixing the VGA cable to the output monitor and the power cable out here, and you can see the red light is blinking. Red light is on. Also there are external LED lights like this for both the sides. It's such a beautiful piece. On the top it has got some initial displays like power, input, lamp, this tele and white. There is a manual inside the CD and you can look that CD manual, and it's just touch button, just you don't need to even, and now it is switched on. And suppose if you keep this out there, its autofocus has been done and you can see that big in that monitor any of the external device. Now all the other functions like black and white, rotate, mirror, freeze, text, whatever it is done and controlled by this remote control. And what you need to do is that you need to have a very specific battery what you need to purchase. This is CR2025 battery, 3-volt battery. You can easily available in the market. Just put it in and then the rest of the functions can be controlled. Now we'll put the battery like this. The positive side would be on the upper side. You can see it's the plain side. Now we should close it properly. It's all set now. Now that's at this point of time it's off, but as soon as you will click it, it will turn blue. Right, the lights are on, and you can also see that that's waiting, and the output will be there. Now you can see my hand and everything. So this is the remote. There are various functions like mode, present, mirror, rotate, whatever you want. I just operate and kept tip out there, and now it is working, but you can see that it's not that clear. So what you need to do is that you need to use this button, and you see the operation when you, and now it is 100% clear. Similarly, there are other functions like mode, rotate, present. I just put this rotate. It's rotated. Then there are other freeze function is there. Lamp switch on. You can see the lamp will be switched on and lamp will be switched off. There sharpness, divide, sharp. You just go through the manual and everything will be in a perfect condition. It's an amazing product and everybody should buy. I highly recommend this product.